Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope all is well with you. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you for this week of July. Okay. For Capricorn, please. Energies. And messages for Capricorn. We have the wall, okay, misunderstanding, okay, misunderstanding either in work, misunderstanding in your family, okay, with your family members, personal life, okay, even in your love relationship. Merong rose, romance is in the air, okay, for some of you, romance is in the air, okay. Maganda ang takbo ng inyong relationship ngayon for some of you, Capricorn. Merong revival of love and passion sa inyong relationship, okay? Career. Okay. Career must be important to you right now, Capricorn. Nakafocus kayo sa inyong trabaho or namamayagpag kayo sa inyong career, sa inyong industry. Okay, you are doing well sa trabaho. Facts, shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. Okay, resourcefulness, especially in business. Okay. Yung mga Capricorn ay talagang masipag, okay? Very resourceful when it comes to work and when it comes to business. Okay? They are very hardworking people, okay? Gumagawa palagi ng paraan, okay? Para makatulong at mapagaan yung trabaho ng isang team. Eagle. Triumph over troubles and obstacles, okay? Whatever challenges that you are facing right now, o yung matagal yun ng pinagdadaanan na paghihirap, challenges, or sacrifices, okay? There will be a success on that. Ma-overcome ninyo yan, okay? With your strength, skills, and abilities, and understanding and acceptance of your situation. Heart, love, deep affection, and caring, okay? There is love, deep affection, and caring, okay? Rose and heart. Okay? There's love, deep affection, and caring when it comes to your personal relationship, okay? In your love life, merong pagkakaintindihan. Let's see, ano pa yung mga messages for you, Capricorn, from the tarot. For Capricorn, please, energies and messages for Capricorn. For Capricorn, please, energies and messages for Capricorn. Anong paparating for Capricorn this week? In the month of July. Capricorn, please. Capricorn. Okay. For some of you, kung meron kayong mga gustong gawin, okay, use your intuition, okay? Merong mga gumugulo sa isip ninyo, you feel na parang hindi kayo hindi nyo magawa yung gusto ninyong gawin. Merong fears of doing something. Nagdadalawang isip kayo sa inyong kakayahan or sa isang sitwasyon, okay? You have doubts in yourself. You feel that it is difficult, but it is only in your mind. Okay, Capricorn? May mga kailangan ba kayong pagdesisyonan pero parang hindi nyo alam kung anong gagawin? Yeah. Tinitingnan ninyo ang isang sitwasyon, okay? You are hoping that everything will be okay when it comes to your money, when it comes to your financial security, okay? When it comes to your work, career. For some of you, you need to take time, okay? Take a pause and i-analyze or i-assess kung anong nangyayari or anong magandang gawin further sa inyong career, sa trabaho, sa negosyo, okay? Yeah. May mga gumugulo sa isip ninyo. Sometimes, they are not healthy anymore, okay? Parang ang toxic. Parang lagi nyo na lang iniisip, paulit-ulit, may gumugulo sa isip ninyo. But you can simply detach from it if you really want to. Okay? For some of you, you are overly focused on spending on things na mga unnecessarily, mga material things. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo obsessed na sa isang sitwasyon, okay, sa isang relationship. Okay? Kung ano na iniisip o mga negative thoughts. Yeah. You are worried on something, Capricorn. Okay? You have insecurities issues. You feel that you are not safe or secured in a situation. Merong pag-aalala. Okay. There will be a completion, or if kung sa trabaho ninyo, there will be a successful completion of a project. Okay. Merong happy home na nag-aantay para sa inyo. Happiness, contentment. Despite doon sa iniisip or meron kayong inaalala. Okay. Magandang inyong love situation or love relationship. At home. Okay. Merong marriage. Yeah. Na mangyayari or wedding. For some of you, nag-iisip how to move forward. Kung nagpaplano kayo magpakasal, okay, merong planning about wedding, iniisip nyo kung paano mapaganda, mapaayos, saan kukuha ng resources, okay. You are spending too much time on planning. Kung merong celebration, okay, na mangyayari, mga events. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, you are very defensive, okay, sa inyong ginagawa, pinoproteksyonan ninyo ang para sa inyo. Kung ang sa tingin nyo, kung ano sa tingin nyo ang tama ay dinedepensahan, pinoproteksyonan, naniniwala ka sa inyong ginagawa, okay? For some of you, ayaw mong pa-distract sa ibang tao. You are focusing on yourself. Yeah. Kasaganahan. Okay. Merong abundance and prosperity in your home life. Yeah. Merong love and support. Okay? Pinoproteksyonan ninyo ang inyong family, ang happiness ng inyong family. You keep on fighting. Proteksyonan ninyo ang inyong pamilya. Okay? Yeah. Fortune is on your side, Capricorn. Okay. Iikot din ang gulong. Merong turning point na mangyayari in your life situation. Okay, in general. May pabor kang matatanggap. Okay. Yeah, there is good news. You will feel good about it. You are looking forward. Okay. You are looking forward. You are hoping that maging okay ang lahat, most especially sa family mo, material things na masuportahan nyo sila, okay? They also need you emotionally, Capricorn. They need your love and attention at the same time. Yeah. Everything will be okay. You are ready kung ano man ang mga plans ninyo, okay? Kung ano man yung mga plans, meron kang kakayahan to do it. You will have the resources na kakailanganin mo. Okay? Yeah. Magkakaroon ng kasagutan or ng solusyon. Kung ano man yung nais mong mangyari para sa sarili mo, sa mga loved ones mo. Okay. Yeah. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Okay. Tunnel vision. Parang nahirapan, yung iba sa inyo nahirapan na sa buhay, okay? Maraming mga obligations, responsibilities, at home, sa partner mo, sa work, sa mga anak. Parang feeling mo parang ikaw lang ang nagtatrabaho or gumagawa ng paraan just to move things forward, okay? Pero magkakaroon ng pag-asa, merong new beginning para sa inyo, okay? Merong paraan or solusyon na darating, okay? Okay. Yeah. For some of you, merong disappointment in a family situation, okay? Hope is here, okay? Bagong simula para sa'yo, okay? Merong expansion, okay? Merong bago kang sisimulan, Capricorn, and it will make you very hopeful and excited about it, okay? Use your creativity. May mga bagong opportunity sa inyo. For some of you, nahirapan na sa work, maybe there is a new opportunity sa inyo, a new career, new opportunity to work again, okay? For some of you. Merong solusyon. Because you are very disappointed sa work mo or sa current situation mo. Merong opportunity na darating para sa'yo. Okay, Capricorn? Yeah. Believe in yourself. You are very determined and ambitious. Okay. Kailangan mo ng willpower for you to move forward. Kung gusto mo ang isang bagay, okay, you need to do everything para makuha mo kung ano yung ambisyon or kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung goal mo, okay? You will be successful in that. Merong success in that opportunity. Yeah. Big money, new contracts, new career, new job, okay? You will be, for some of you, you will be receiving big money. Okay? Incentives, big commission. Okay? May mako-close kayo na deal. Yeah. You will be successful, Capricorn. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan ninyo, whatever hurts, disappointments na meron kayo in the past, or for some of you until now, you will be able to get over it. Merong turning point ang mangyayari in your life. Merong bagong pag-asa. Okay? There is an ending of a difficult situation. Merong recovery. Okay? There is a chance, an opportunity for you to expand. Kung nasa business side kayo. Okay? Capricorn. Yeah. Everything will be okay, Capricorn. Just believe in yourself. Merong kakayahan. The divine or the universe is working with you. Yeah. Success is on the way. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be known publicly. You will be victorious. Makikilala ka. Dahil sa inyong creativity, sa inyong passion. Okay? You've been doing a lot of hard work para mag-grow or masimula ang isang project or passion project, yung isang creativity, something like that. Meron na mga disappointments and hurts, but then hindi ka nawalan ng pag-asa. You are moving forward, okay? Merong success sa inyong ginagawa. Merong success na darating para sa inyo. Okay? New money, new contracts, bagong pagkakitaan, Capricorn. Yeah. You will be victorious. Makikilala ka, okay? You are very creative person. People will celebrate you, okay? Although some people nakikicelebrate, but also be careful sa mga inggit, okay? Mga insecurities ng ibang tao because of your success. Kuha tayo ng messages from angels, okay? For Capricorn, please. Additional message, advice from the angels. Capricorn, please. Capricorn. 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 Sever vows of poverty. Dear one, there is no need to suffer or sacrifice. Hold the intention of undoing any vows of poverty or self-denial that you may have made consciously or unconsciously in any lifetime. As you do so, all effects of these vows will be undone for everyone involved in all directions of time. Okay? So, there's no need to suffer or sacrifice. So, merong severity, vows of poverty. Yeah. Merong success. Kung ano man tong pinaghirapan ninyo, pinagdaanan ninyo na negative experience, paghihirap, you will be able to overcome it. Okay? Merong success. May pag-uunlad. May kasaganahan. Capricorn. Let's see from the angel number Ano yung messages? Angel number for Capricorn, please. Capricorn. Capricorn. 222. If you keep seeing number 222, this is the message for you. Trust that the seeds of your thoughts are growing as you are nourishing them with words, feelings, and action. I am balanced. Okay? So you are balanced, Capricorn. Okay? So, this is the message for you, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa inyo. See you on the next video. Bye!